Today we are going to learn how to start a blog instantly using WordPress.com. Now that we have launched our site, we have almost finished setting up our website or blog. Only the remaining setup is to edit the menu. Click Add a menu. You can click the pen tool near the menu to open the menu customization panel. Also, you can select the menu you want to edit from the menus panel. Change your site name to Home. And you can add more categories, pages and more, which we will look into later on inshaAllah. Click Save Changes and close the Customizer panel. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.